Hello, my name is Davis Porterfield.
And I'm Jonathan Golden. We're excited to welcome you to the third edition of Boise State Broadcasting, Thursday night. And now, let's head into our broadcast.
Welcome to the announcement section of our program.
First off is auctions. Remember that there will be an auction of land to any citizen interested after the assembly tonight. Make sure to bring those boy bucks to the assembly hall at 8 p.m. to have a possibility to own something.
Next up is the talent show. Be prepared to see the best talent Boise State has to offer. Final talent show auditions will start at 3 p.m. tomorrow, with the show starting at 8 p.m.
We also have devotions at the chapel tonight at 10:45 p.m. So if you're interested in attending, please do so.
And now let's send it to Andrew with the weather.
Good evening, Boise State. Today and this afternoon, it's going to be very stormy. Tomorrow, it's going to be very hot. I'm Andrew. Now back to the studio.
Thanks, Andrew.
On a side note, our first night in charge was an experience. We had riots, fires, and a car accident. Congratulations to our political leaders. And now, let's show you some footage from those riots.
We have breaking news. Right now, by Panhandle Cabin, there has been a car crash. Right here, we have Jonathan Golden, and he was here. He witnessed this. What was he have to say?
Bro, I was just chilling out here. I was sitting on a Panhandle Cabin over there, and like this dude, his truck right here just freaking rolled in and hit the freaking bench, and this clown dude just opened his door and was chilling there. Like I think he's drunk or something. And then this other dude ran to the woods. You can see him over there, and he's just like, I don't know, driving this rainbow wig in his hand, and I'm flipping out. These guys are taking so long to do their jobs, and I don't know what I'm supposed to do. Yo, what are you talking about?
Don't shoot! Don't shoot!
Back away.
What happened?
We need all our hands. We need back away.
What happened?
Back
We need an explanation.
Back away now.
What happened?
They get an explanation.
Don't shoot! Don't shoot!
Back away
Don't shoot!
from the scene.
Don't shoot!
My family's right here.
My dog's in here! My dog is here!
Everyone stay back.
I'm part of Boise State Broadcasting. Do you have anything to say about this anarchy?
This is crazy, bro! I don't know what's going on anymore. I just want to be a part of it. I want to be I always talk.
Don't
There's
shoot!
a lot of police brutality here tonight. There's a fire. The cabin's on fire. I don't know what happened, man. I can't breathe! I can't breathe!
Sir,
Jeff, I have a question.
we will detain
Yes, sir.
you if I have
What
to
are you
tell you
protesting?
I have no idea. I think it's a fire. I am protesting fire.
Hey, car wreck! Car wreck! Car wreck! Car
Are you a victim of the DNR? Did you receive an unfair ticket that you didn't deserve? Well, I'm your guy. Visit Braxton Cottage and ask for Sean the Ginger. I'll defend your case and you won't have to pay me anything. Truth, justice, and security. That's what the Ginger stands for.
This just in, we have found the verdict of the car crash accident that happened last night in front of Panhandle, the case of Kalsick and Michael Paul.
Person like to announce the verdict.
We find the defendant not guilty of any charge.
All you prosecuting attorneys.
I'm Elijah Smith out of Braxton Cabin, and here's some footage of the firefighters yesterday in action.
This just in. An inmate escaped from prison today around 3 p.m. The Sheriff's Department of Panhandle Cottage and Boys State Corrections K-9 unit arrived on scene. They found the inmate behind Panhandle Cottage and took him into custody.
As we conclude our third broadcast, we'd like to give some additional updates.
The main courses on the menu tomorrow are for breakfast, waffles and bacon, for lunch, cheeseburgers, and for dinner, meatloaf and cookies.
In conclusion of our broadcast, we have a special guest, Kalsick from Panhandle Cottage, with a special message.
Hey!